So finally, we have listed out every single natural minor scale. Natural minor scale. I guess I'll write this out. Natural minor scale. Okay, so we have A minor here on both lists, and then we've continued down. Now here's all the sharp ones. All of these are the sharp ones. And here are all the flat ones, the ones that contain all flats. You can see this has a bunch of flats. These all have sharps. Okay? And this is how we can start to organize them and sort them and make sense of all these random scales that we've come across over the past few lessons. Okay, so if you look at each of these, you can notice that this one only has one sharp, this has two sharps, this has three sharps, it has another F sharp at the end, but really it's the same sharp, so we only have three new ones. And if you look here, the new sharp always comes up here. What I mean by that is F sharp is sharped here, but it's also F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Everywhere has an F sharp from then on. C sharp is next, and then everything else has a C sharp. G sharp is next, everything else has a G sharp. So we can simply look at our second scale degree here, 1, 2, right, in the scale, and look at our new sharps. And if you look at this, we actually have a new order. So this was labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Because of the number of sharps, this is technically 0 because there's nothing. No sharps or flats to be found in A natural minor. And so we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. If we list those out, we notice that they are the same pattern that we found in our major scale. Do you guys remember the order of sharps? It's fat cats. Fat cats go down alleys eating, oops, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating bananas. That's an E, eating bananas. Okay, so we have the same pattern we found in major. So instead of looking at natural minor as this completely new concept, it actually kind of follows and is related to, that's a good word for the topic, is related to major scales entirely. Actually, we'll see later that there is a one-for-one correlation between them. So we have related scales. If we look at the flats, we do have another pattern here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And if we look here at number 6, it's really easy because if you look here, oh, this is where the flat happens. So the flats happen here on the 6th scale degree, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th scale degree. We see another familiar pattern. We have B, E, A, D, G, C, and F are the new flats. And we have B, E, A, D, which is bead, and then G, C, F, which is gum, candy, fruit. Oops, that's an F. Fruit. Gum, candy, fruit. Gum, bead, gum, candy, fruit is the order of flats for the flat natural minor scales. Now, if you want to see this in how it relates to major, you can try to do this on your own, or watch the next video and we'll do it together. See you then.